Hey y'all, welcome to Unboxing Discovery by G. My name is Gina and today we have a mintMONGOOSE with another one of these We Care from the post office labels. I guess it came a little damaged and so they were apologizing. It's just jewelry. I don't think it's going to affect it much, but we'll find out here in a minute. If you don't know what mintMONGOOSE is, it is a jewelry subscription. She sends you 2 pieces of jewelry each month. They are themed. She writes a little cute thing of where she got the inspiration for her theme. It is a mama-run small business. Helena is so sweet, and I really enjoy getting her jewelry. I missed my t-shirt subscription, y'all. I canceled that part of it because I was getting so many t-shirts that I was running out of room. So I put it on hold, but I really missed getting the t-shirts. I really enjoyed those. For the jewelry, it is $23.99 a month for the jewelry. I think you can get it for as low as $19.99 if you pay by term. She has kind of changed her pricing around a little bit, so I'm not exactly sure how that works now. I think the t-shirt subscription, if you subscribe to it, it's $9.99. If you just get it for one time, it's $11.99. They have earring subscriptions, ring subscriptions, all kinds of fun stuff. She sends you like an add-on thing where you can add on pieces of jewelry or past sets and things like that. So I really do like all that about her and her company. But right now, we're just going to open this up. I do have a link below that will credit me like a sales lady if you want to do that one. Or there's also one that's through her, because most of my affiliations are through a third-party company. But if you want to go through hers, which would just give me a discount of points off for future jewelry, is fine with me too, but it also gives you $5 off. So you can click that link to get your $5 off your first purchase. Personally, I would go for the one that gets you money. That's just me. I'm more worried about getting y'all a discount than me. But it's really cool. You can build up the points to get extra things, free sets, free things. I love that. So here is, I love their mintMONGOOSE stamp. So cute. Oh, it is love. This must be the February. I cannot remember. Love is patient. Love is kind. It does not envy. It does not boast. It is not proud. It does not dishonor others. It is not self-seeking. I said that. It is not self-seeking. It is not easily angered, and it keeps no record of wrongs. That is 1 Corinthians 13, and that is what it says. Now, I really wish I had gotten the shirt because it probably had this written on it. Oh, and I love that she put scripture with it. I love that. It says, our inspiration behind the set. This month's set is inspired by the kind of love that makes life exciting. Love is patient, love is kind. It does not envy or boast. It is not proud or self-seeking. It does not dishonor others. It isn't easily angered, and it keeps no records of wrongs. I've spent chunks of my life loving, being loved, and being in love. I've learned a few things through those seasons of life. Not all loves are created equal. Sometimes it can be hard to differentiate them. They can completely transform your world, and they have a huge impact on your priorities and goals. This love I'm talking about doesn't have to be a romantic kind of love, although it could be, but a love for a child, a parent, a relative, or a good friend could add the value I'm talking about here. The love I have for my sister, parents, husband, and soon-to-be 4th kiddo, who is, by the way, here, she had her baby, are all different types of love, all which I wouldn't know what to do without. Types of love that are unconditional and genuine. There are few things as precious as spending time with someone you love and having a close bond with. It doesn't happen every day. This set was designed to celebrate that special bond that is sometimes hard to find, but always worth holding on to. The classiness of this set was aimed towards highlighting the purity of love. This set is to celebrate the idea of 2 or more people coming together in spite of the busyness of life and enjoying time together. When you wear the set, I hope you are reminded of someone whom you share a special bond with, that person's value in your life, and just how much they mean to you. Love, Hella. Love, Helena, the mama behind the mongoose. So I love that she writes that up. I love hearing about that. And, you know, you get emails and she gives you updates and about, you know, what's going on, the kids, and, you know, like she had her baby, and friend mail, things like that. I can't get this open. I normally can get it open and I can't today. Friend mail she gets, things like that. So let's pull all this out. Once you've been subscribed a little while, she starts giving you extras. And one of my extras I get is this clasp for necklaces, magnetic clasp. I love these. She always sends it in the color of the jewelry that I'm getting that month. You can pick what color, by the way, if you only wear gold or if you only wear silver. I personally like a mixture because sometimes I feel like wearing silver, sometimes I feel like wearing gold. It just depends on the day. She sends a Werther's original, and then your jewelry is wrapped up in here. One of mine is out, but that's okay. Let me make sure there's nothing else in there. There is. See, it's a good thing I looked. All right, so I have 3 pieces. I normally have 2. That is interesting. I must have got a bonus or something. Who knows? Let's look at it, because I'm curious now. I'm curious. It's been such a gloomy day today, y'all. And I got up and I was such in a mood for St. Patty's Day, which is going to be this Friday. And so I did the whole St. Patty's makeup. And it's such a gloomy, rainy day. All right, so I'm assuming these are some bonus earrings because they don't match the set, but they're very cute. Look at those. They're very interesting. Let me take mine off. I'm just gonna do one today. But look at that. I love those. Those are super cute. I really like these. That is cute. I like them. What do you think? All right, let me go to the actual set now. Now, most of her sets, they have those little plastic bags and they're in there separate. So just keep that in mind. They're hard to see. You could dump them out if you're not careful. I mean, they're tiny little bags, but they are bags. And you can keep those with the earrings, or you can keep them in an extra thing where you have, you know, some for all earrings. Look at those. Those are cute. Hope it's focusing. I can't tell. They're just a dainty little curved line of studs. I'll put both of these on. What do we think? I think they're cute. They're a nice little, you know, just a little dainty hangy where it's not too much. It's just enough to say there's a little sparkle there. Very cute. And here is my last piece. This is, oh, I need to contact her because I actually won some, like a pair of free socks, and I never got them. But she's really good about, you know, you contact her and she'll make it right. All her jewelry does have extenders and the cute little mintMONGOOSE symbol on there. And we're going to go in the middle of those extenders just so you can kind of see. I may be red on my chest, y'all, because I had that thing on me. I had to wear a thing here last night because of the sleep study I'm doing. I think that's lovely. I would probably put it a little shorter just because it's so down in my cleavage. But that is very, very cute. Gosh, look at that. I didn't realize I had rushed out so bad. I'm allergic to tape, y'all. I'm allergic to everything. It didn't have latex in it. We made sure that it didn't have latex in it. And I still have that big old spot. Should have wore a high shirt today. Sorry. All right. But what do you think of this set? I think it's real cute. I like it. I will enjoy wearing it. I just want to hear y'all's opinion on it. Y'all comment below. Let me know what you think. If you want to try Mint Mongoose, click one of those links below. Either one will take you to the website and we'll get you signed up with her. I'd also appreciate it if you would subscribe to my channel, which is free. It doesn't cost you anything, but it does mean the world to me. So if you want to subscribe, click that red subscribe button down below. Please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to share it with your friends. If you push the share button, it will put a link to this video on your social media. You get to pick how you send it. You can text it to somebody, email it to somebody, put it on Facebook, Insta, Snap, whatever you want to do. And don't forget to press that notification bell so that you know when I'm putting out new videos. If you want to donate to the cause, which is revamping this room, I'm still trying to get all my backgrounds the way I want them. I feel like it's too crowded. I don't know. Maybe I should make that thing lower. Y'all let me know what you think. But there are two ways to donate. You can press the super thanks, which is like tipping to YouTube, or you can go to buymeacoffee.com, unboxed by G, and you can leave me a tip that way. Y'all, thank you so very much. I hope you enjoyed this. Have a happy and safe Luck of the Irish Day. It's just, I went blank. What is it? St. Patrick's Day. Be safe, drink responsibly, don't drive if you had anything to drink with alcohol in it, but enjoy that green beer. I won't be. Have a wonderful day and God bless.